Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you a Samsung Powerbank USB-C one, fast charge one. I got this for about £13 something, basically very cheap from Samsung themselves, because they had an offer on for Samsung members, which is pretty cool. I wouldn't have known about it unless my friend told me, so yeah, thank you Abu Bakr for letting me know about this. Shout out if you're actually watching this video. Yeah, I ordered two of these. The first one I ordered, I didn't record because I just want to see what it was like. That was pretty stupid of me because, yeah, that had a pretty cool thing. Basically, that one came with a weird wire, which was a USB-C to USB-C, which I've never seen before. And it's pretty cool, but it's not very practical. Yeah, so let's see if the same is with this one. So, yeah. So I ordered two of the silver ones. This also comes in rose gold, but I don't like the rose. No, was it rose gold? Yeah, rose gold, I think. Yeah. Right, let me go ahead and open this. Don't know what these tabs are. Let me just put this across. Oh, you meant to open it that way anyway. Yeah, there you go. Open now. Open sesame. So you got this amazing Samsung logo, and the rest of the fucking package is empty. Oh, that's sticky. Why is it sticky? Ah, wait, where the white tab's gone? Oh, that was the white tab there. The white thing I was looking at was this. Oh, what's the point in that? I don't understand that. That's just sticky on extra protection, I guess, but then I didn't use it. How exactly am I gonna get this out? Who the hell stick this together? That's weird packaging. Not gonna lie, my other one wasn't stuck like that, so I don't know. Maybe it's just how this one is. So yeah, there's the power bank. Wow. Oh, I think the order bill's at the bottom. Yeah, it is. All the paper. Whoa, that's a lot of paperwork. Let's take that out of the way. Okay. Samsung support. Let the expert set you up. Set me up for what is a power bank? But yeah, if you need help, they got you. Yeah, Samsung members. There you go. I got the offer with that, but I wouldn't have known about it because unless my friend told me. So I bought one. It's one per customer, but I got two accounts, so I got two. But don't tell Samsung. Alright guys, let me check the order bill. Okay, so this cost me, if I can find the cost, if they even put it on here. Packing list, return note. I don't think they put the price on here. It's a shame. It's about 13 quid, I believe, or 15 quid, something like that. Because it was half price, more than half price. I'm not sure. But yeah, just get this out of the way. Have a look at the power bank itself. So it's Samsung fast charge one. I bought one 3 years ago, I believe. A more sexier one. It's like a S7 Edge one. It looks like a S7 Edge basically. The power bank was the official Samsung one. It looked like a S7 Edge. Glass back, glass forward, glass front, glass back. I might have a video on my channel, go check it out. But yeah, that cost me 50 quid for 12,000 mAh fast charge, and I was like, wow. But now I'm getting it for £15. Wow, that's insane. Okay, so we've got 10,000. That's not that heavy. So we've got silver, 10,000 charge, fast charge, battery pack, 10,000 milliamp hour, 15 watt, Type C, dual USB port. Okay. So usable capacity. Nope. Fast typical. I don't understand that. But yeah, 5 lights means is 4 lights is 100% to 70%. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Might just open this. There's not really anything good on here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I like how every different corner has every different corner. Oh fucking hell! All this packaging, guys. How you gonna open this now? Oh, weird packaging everywhere. Come on, Samsung. Make it easier. It's just a power bank. Ugh. Wow, that's not gonna work. What is this packaging? I might just open it from the bottom. That might just be the best way. Oh, that fucking hell. What the fuck have they used there? Stickiest shit in the world. Samsung, what the fuck, man? My other one was quite sticky, but it wasn't this bad. That's what I'll tell you. Oh, I might show you more than one, but I have to go get it. Let me get this out. Nothing else in the box. Nothing else in there. Take that out. Ooh, that's the power bank. Now this one's quite nice. My other one had a bit of a scratch at the back. Let's have a look if this one has a scratch. Nope. This one's pretty decent. No scratches. It's quite light. So as you can see, you got USB-C port. So that's to charge it with. To charge the device with this thing. You got 2 USB ports, and then fucking this flash. You're not gonna be able to see with this flash. Let me block this motherfucker out. There you go. There you go. 2 bars. So it needs charging. But yeah. The other one was the same. Let me take this off. Got some code. Shall I leave down? It'll make a sticky mark if I take it off right now. So yeah, I'll leave that for now. And there's the cable there. Very tiny cable. Whoa, come on. Come on, you motherfucker. Ah, no way. I got USB-C to normal USB. So why the fuck did they give me a USB-C to USB-C? Must have been a problem or fake problem. What do you call it? So basically USB-C is you plug in any way you like. It's amazing, guys. Oh shit. and yeah, oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna carry it away. Okay, so we got USB, normal USB. So both of these ports are fast charging. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a very good quality build. I'm liking it. For the price, it's very good. 10,000 milliamp hour, can't go wrong. And Samsung is a very good brand. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Let me just move this out of the way. Get a nice thumbnail for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Oh, let me get the scissors out of the way. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out all the videos if you haven't. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Let me know if you want me. Let me know if you want me to unbox anything. And